Hey guys, this is Akash and welcome back to my channel again. आज हम लोग जो बना रहे हैं वो है pegboard. So I want to organize my setup. So pegboard is just a wood with a holes and उस पे चीजें ऐसे लगा के we can set up a lot of containers and a lot of things, keys and many more things to organize things. And now I'm looking at a cheaper version of making it. So I'm making it by myself. For that I have bought a drafting table, as you can see. So this is a drafting table that I have bought for around 700 rupees in India. And what I'm doing is ki I have searched about how much distance the holes should be. And if you haven't seen a pegboard before, this is how pegboard looks like. And it has holes about 1 inch with the distance and about 6.5 mm of diameter holes. So what I'm doing currently is I'm making measurement and making a grid on to this drafting table. So this drafting table is used in colleges for making engineering drawings, and also I have using this for quite a long time, and now I'm making it into a pegboard. So now, as you can see, I'm done with the vertical ones. So about 1 inch distance I have drawn all the verticals, and now I'm going to make the horizontal with the 1 inch distances. So I went ahead and marked all the points in this grid. As you can see, each point is about 1 inch apart. These two are 1 inch apart, and these two also. So I have put points on all the intersection, and now I'm going to drill all the holes in them. So here I'm going to make all the 4 holes in this so that I can hang this on the wall. Here I have drilled all the holes in half of my pegboard, and for the rest half of my pegboard I decided to make holes like IKEA, how IKEA pegboards have holes like vertical ones. And for the rest of my pegboard I would be using that kind of design. Here you can see how that design looks like, and the measurement is different than the half of my pegboard what I have drilled holes for, like 1 inch by 1 inch. Guys, this is the sandpaper, and now I'm going to brush it over all uneven surfaces. So I'm adding this to back of my pegboard to give it little space from the wall. So as you can see, I have added this onto my board. And that's all the video, guys. Let me know what you think about this affordable, like very super convenient and saves a lot of space on your desk. And this is super easy to make. All you have to have is you can rent out a drill machine and a little bit of drill bits, and you can make your own to save a lot of space and put everything on your wall instead of your desk, and it will save you a lot of space around if you have a small space. And let me know what your thoughts are about this in the comments, and thank you for watching.